Yo! Good morning, family. Happy Thursday. I'm excited. Look, we're on, I don't even remember, day 4 now, maybe these Apex accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Day 6. Day 6 of these Apex accounts. And we're just at 51.2. We're barely there, but hey, we have the opportunity to have a good day. That's all we can ask for. Hopefully we crush and can take a little bit of love out of it and then put them back to safety. I'm going to have to verify that we're over the buffer so that I don't actually have to worry about the trailing at this point. I don't think that I do, but I'm not 100%. Send this out here. Turn off my sounds, and we're getting active, baby. We're getting absolutely active, family. Good morning, work. Good morning, King. Let's have a great day and may opportunity be blessed, brother. I love it. May it be a blessed day, King. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're feeling good. Woke up in a good side. Good positivity. And let's find it here. All we can do is find it. That's all we can do. Keep looking, and eventually you'll discover it. NASDAQ finally trying to break out of this range after getting another confirmed news events that the negotiations are not falling through with Iran. And so now we're finally starting to sell off. We opened, try to push up to that midpoint below 50 open minute range. Look at this fucking market, dude. Ew. Like, ew. This is what busted my account. Really? This push up before looking for that? It's so unbelievable. The gross market, and then he came up here, sold off some more, and now we auctioned up. Just selling. I'm bearish, very bearish. We just got to try to find a decent price for it. Maybe the 200s. No way we just sell right off open, right? Don Dula, what's good, family? Let's have a better day, fam. I love it, Don Dula. Let's go, King. All we got to do is ask for a nice little session here on these Apexes, get us back to 52 grand, and like nothing ever happened. Get right back in it. Like nothing ever happened. Yo, King, how are you doing? Mo, I'm doing great, brother. Welcome, welcome, King. Let's get it. Welcome in, brother. Doing awesome. Yesterday wasn't our most fantastic session, but you guys know what it is. Trading up and down. You got to pay your bills sometimes as a business. Let's go. Good morning, Rise and Grind. Hey, Rise and Grind, Jay. Good morning, King. Gani, good morning. It's been a while. Good to see you here, brother. Welcome in, King. Tyler, did you sign up for your Apex Lucid TPT under business or individual when you first signed up for the props? I heard it affects whether you can file taxes under capital gains or... I put them under my personal. I guess I didn't know that affects. I thought it might, but I think it really only affects. There's no difference between an LLC, which is what a business is, or an individual. For a prop firms, you file them the exact same in terms of your interest rate. Either way, it's capital or self-employment tax. But if you have a S corp, that's when you can kind of start getting the advantages. What I've heard, I think. Good morning, brother Merge. Good morning, King. Welcome in, baby. Same to you, Brom. Good morning, King. Let's go, family. I love y'all showing up, being here. Market's opening here in a minute and a half. We're getting excited. I kind of want to be short into open, but I don't think I can have that drawdown. Do you guys know, since Brahms, congratulations, King. You're 1 day away from having a fucking banger payout. Do you know the information? So now that I'm down, I only have $1,140 a drawdown, 1120. Does this intraday again, or is it since I got over the buffer, I'm not intraday, or is it below the buffer, you're always intraday? Gani, remember what I told you? Max 5M, max NQ, dude. That's not a bad idea. Listen to Dave there. Sizing is important, especially in these markets right now. We have a 300 or 280 point range, 90 point range. Greetings all, Jedi. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Danny, good morning, Queen. I love it, baby. Welcome in. Hope your trading goes great today. Get through those Apex accounts. Or that. Good luck on that. I think if it's below your intraday. I guess actually I just thought about it. It doesn't matter, right? Because maybe it is, because my account high is like 52.3 or so, 50,003. So then if I'm trying to get back to that for intraday, I don't even know. Good morning, let's get it, fam. Absolutely, TLR. Good morning, King. I love the energy. Hope you're feeling great, ready to take some advantage of these markets on a nice Thursday. Tomorrow's our 1-year anniversary, family. Incredible. Fernando says, good morning. Your drawdown is locked at end of day. Trailing is relevant once you hit the 2100, then it's just your MLL. Yeah, that's what I thought too, since my account high is up there. I appreciate it, Thomas and Fernando. Thank you, Kings. Good morning, Matthew. Welcome in, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Kendall, same thing to you, Queen. Good morning. Hope everybody's feeling ecstatic, excited, positive, all the good things. We got confirmation that the negotiations are not going the way that Trump wants, and that's why I think we're getting this sell-off, but kind of wanted to be short into open. I just expect us to try to find a bid up into the VWAP first maybe, and then finding a short. So I'm trying to be a little bit patient here, family. We're coming down into the 114s now, buying into the lows. Look at this hourly chart here. Get out of here with that. Look at this hourly chart. Really feel like we're hunting the bottom. NASDAQ starting to sell now into the 100s, below the 24,100s. Look at the daily chart really quickly here. Oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah, I'm bearish. Hourly and the daily are very bearish. I'm also bearish, but you know we got to fight for a good price. Wait for the setup to present itself. Right now we're bidding below this swing low, so I'm waiting to maybe see any reaction here and maybe try to find something. Yay, 1-year anniversary. It's tomorrow, King. It's gonna be fucking crazy. I'm excited for it. On a Friday too. How lucky is that? Or shit, was now I'm confused. Maybe it was the 26th, 25th? I don't remember what Sauce said. Today's the 26th, so if that was that, then it would be today. Yeah, I mean, I'm just going to be patient here. I think we are going to find some selling, but I want to try to get involved at a price that I like. That would, for me, be somewhere in around this VWAP. We might not get all the way back up there, but that would be a nice place. 200s, 120 points away from here. Morning, King. Let's go, Matrix. Welcome in, baby. I think I already said that, but just wanted to confirm. Just wanted to confirm, King. So, yeah, it is the 27th. I love it. Absolutely love it. Tomorrow, the 27th, he said when he comes, we will ask him again, though. Yeah, I think you're right. I just confirmed. Let's go, family. Let's make that money. Santiago, let's do it. Let's just grab some goop. Get out of here excited. Good morning, King. Right now, the NASDAQ gave us a 156 to the 95. So, 50-point candles, nothing crazy. Or 60-point candle, technically. Nothing too crazy on the opening print. Trying to get up in this EMA. I would really love any pump up towards this EMA, VWAP area on the hourly. Bottom of this previous swing, bottom. I mean, the 234s feels decent, but a little too out of there. So we'll see what happens. Morning, if we break the 150 up, we'll see some buyers, but till then, now the sellers are trying to get to 24K and lower. 23,850, 23,850 would be crazy. Above 150, you're bullish, huh? I'd be looking for above 150, he says. I personally would like to see us try to go find some VWAP tap before the selling begins. I do think we're going to start hunting this lows. The daily chart and the hourly chart are both very bearish. I think we have a lot of reasons to push towards this candle wick bottom. Again, this candle was built off the news that we were finding positive negotiations, which we now know immediately, by the way, was inaccurate. And we got more confirmation last night that it is, yet we're still auctioning above those prices. So it's just weird. Only 3-second delay today, back in sync. Let's go, Dave. That's what I wanted to hear, King. I don't know what changes that because I haven't touched stuff different, but I'd love hearing it. I want that to be smooth. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me some love here. Let's get something going here. I want to see maybe a little bit of a bid to this, somewhere towards this previous swing bottom, and then catch a sell. Right now we're stalling out at this, these lows. If we start getting heavy through the low a day here, depending on when we do it, if we do it within the 15-minute range, I'll probably hold off. But if we auction the 15 and then start breaking, I'm probably going to be trying to find some shorts. It's all about just being patient, family, taking good setups, waiting for it to play out, high probability trades. Appreciate y'all all for being here. Tomorrow's our year anniversary. I cannot believe that. K-Rise, good morning, King. Let's get it, baby. Welcome, welcome. Welcome into this NASDAQ, doing her NASDAQ thing. We're down 1% on the day, which, again, I think we have to go see the lows here. Make up for the fact that the tweet and the reason for that pump in the first place was already inaccurate. NASDAQ's trying to get to this EMA. We're kind of stalling out a little bit. Tight range right now. This has been pretty common for the New York session. Lately, the markets have been moving a lot more overnight ranges, and then come New York move, it's been a little bit more inside and tight. Yesterday, we did get to break to the sell side, but then went right back in the zone. So it's tricky. It's really testing our patience as traders. Make sure we're doing our best to fight the urges. No FOMO. Wait for good setups. And we be patient and see what she gives us, because at the end of the day, she is going to be giving. Are we ready to be receiving? Are we going to be having enough drawdown to receive, and we didn't blow up our account taking shitty trades? That's the game here. Corey, good morning, King. Let's get it, baby. Good luck today. Want to see some goop. Want to see some greens. Want to see some dollars. Lucid still processing my payout from 6 a.m. yesterday, or 6 p.m. My first two they paid in minutes. This one taking some time. Interesting, Santiago. I knew they were like known for wicked quick payouts, but congratulations on the success, King. Happy for you. Hope they get you paid quickly, sir. Let's get this bread. Let's get all the carbs, huh, Pobby? Give me all that gluten right now, NASDAQ. I need it. I'm looting for some gluten right now, you know what I mean? I need that cash. Right now, we're just going to the still bottom of that opening print price. Haven't really moved yet. Be patient, family. Let's just be patient, family. Starting to build out some volume down towards these lows into the 100s. Saucy. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Let's go. Same thing happened to me. The first couple are quick and then they slow them down a little bit. It's interesting. Same accounts and everything. Send them a help desk now that a human agent is available. Good advice, Corey. It's interesting that there's delayed. Again, they're known for their speed. Auctioning at these lows makes me think that they're trying to find some bids, even though right now the seller's clearly suppressing this thing down. If you look at the hourly chart, I mean, it's bearish. We might try to go get one more tap in towards these highs before selling off, but what would that high be? 180, 200s, around just short of the twos. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking this swing. I wouldn't mind trying a 180. I'll even come a little bit down just to try to get really confirmed, like a 197. That's where I wouldn't mind being. I should put my order in right now. Sell 10 limit at the 197s. 97.75, so even a little bit higher. Come give me a fill up there, Queen. I'm going to go break even on my trade and let it ride. Don't like how we bouncing at these areas. Are you long or short? What do you look for, work? Hi, Ty. King Noah, welcome in, King. Good seeing you here, brother. Happy Thursday. Good luck on the charts. Morning, Max, as well. Good morning, King. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm looting for the gluten. Give me that bread. A lot of resistance. That's what we're seeing right now. The buyers are clearly struggling. Sellers got that strong volume move, but so far volume has just died out since. Typically we do break out when we break in, but not necessarily in such a small time frame. Usually that's like a bigger move. So our job is to just, let it do its thing. Be patient. Wait for something to actually be clean and clear. I would love a pull back up in the 197s for a short opportunity, but that's neither here nor there if we get it. Right now, finding some more pressure. Buyers really not able to get this thing to move up whatsoever. Here we go with a new break of the 100s. Are we going to actually get some direction through this swing low now? Ty, what would your percentage of profitability be? What would you say your percentage of profitability would be? That's I don't know. It's an interesting asked or worded question. What do you mean, Noah? If we fail to make a new lows and buyers step in and break the 150, we'll see buyers looking for a new high a day. You think so, I mean. down at these lows, I mean, I don't hate that analysis. It's pretty, I think that's fair if we keep struggling at these lows like that. I'm shorting on the gold. First TP got smacked, though, and now it's close to my break even. Hey, glad your first TP got crushed, baby. Break evens are never a bad thing. You know, it's break even or fucking smashed. It's always break even or bust, baby. Here we go. Hesitating, or now we're heading towards the lows here. 8 points off the bottom. Are we going to break it? There's some volume coming in. Still haven't seen a ton of volume yet. Just starting to break the lows here. How did the buyers react to that? Are we going to fill a bunch of bids down at these 64s? I'm very bearish, so I'm expecting this to continue, but I want to find a better price to get involved. Struggle busting for indeed, Queen. Right now, we just sitting here itching. This NASDAQ wants lower. We all know that it does, but that's why she's hesitating, because everybody is smashing the same sells. Like, if you did everything right in your strategy, how often out of 100 would you hit? It's a great question, though. I don't fully know. Especially if I take like my 15-minute range setup. If I only took my break and reclaim and break and retest strategies, I would say they probably have I would say even higher than 50-50. I think they play out a lot of the time, and the best part about that is that the RR on them is high. So I'm usually trading for the other side of the range, or break and retest aren't usually as high of risks and rewards. The break and reclaim usually is. So yeah, I'd say if between those two trades, I would say they probably have, well, those are two different setups. So my break and retest probably has, yeah, probably a 50-50, maybe a little bit more, and has a little bit lower of a probability. The break and reclaim, I think, plays out depending on every market changes, right? Sometimes we're going to get continuation markets. Sometimes we're going to get reversal markets. So those are those two confluences, but they probably both play out, you know. I want to say more, but that's just me probably being biased. They probably both play out 50-50, but the risk to reward on them makes it worth it. So even when you do hit, you only lose a little bit when you lose, and when you win, you make a lot of goop. It's probably how I'd answer that. I'm not fully sure. No, I'd have to double check that. I'd have to do some back testing there. Well, that motherfucker dropped 14 points in 10 seconds. Work just got gooped. You just got paid, King. Let me see this. Let me see this. She sure did. Bang, bang. Go get paid, King. Go get paid. Love seeing it. Trying to see if I need to adopt to something else, but I'm getting smacked for the past 2 weeks. I always say, Noah, it's good to just keep consistency. Some strategies, they teeter, right? So sometimes certain markets are respecting certain strategies, certain moves play out. Sometimes they don't. But overall, if you have something that you've been doing, I think it's more profitable in your favor to just keep doing it. Even if it means you're taking losses, you should just be having good risk management, practicing that, and just wait for your setups, get better at executions, and then when the market kind of changes sectors and starts delivering again for you, you're going to have a lot more experience and a lot more confidence in those setups and be able to take some more money from the markets. So my win rate is about 60%. That's sexy, Corey. Let's go, King. That right there, that's sexy right there. I like that. Feels like the market is waiting on a Trump tweet again. That's what they've been doing. We're in headline markets right now. We're waiting for the latest headline to give a decision. Nah, not yet. I'm 19 points off. We'll get down there then, GC. Go pay that man. Yo, Ty, with your experience and mental, you should try to get one account and only trade to build a buffer. I feel like if you get a 20, 50K buffer, shit would be dangerous trading stress-free. I don't mind that idea, Santiago. Of course, still milk copy trading, but when you get pushed to live with a huge balance, shit, I can't imagine. That would be I don't mind that idea. I do think with if I had a bigger balance, this is what every trader says. If I had a bigger balance, I'd be easy to make money, and that's not typically true. But I do think I long-term take better setups than I lose. Like when I lose, and I fairly am disciplined. Sometimes I'll start tilting, but for the most part, I stay pretty disciplined, and when I win, I make a lot of my losses back. So it'd be interesting to see what I could do with a live account. I was even thinking about this, like if I blew 2 Apex sessions, or if I try to launch an Apex combine, 20 of them, lose, launch. So we just broke the lows and trying to start V recovering out of this. So be cautious, be patient, and see what happens. But if I try to launch 20 Apex combines, bust them, do another 20 set, then pass them, that's like almost 3 grand. And if I'm going to be willing to risk 3 grand on the markets, yes, you can make a 40K payout, or hypothetically more, but isn't it worth trying once or so, a live account? So just loading $3,000 into a Tradeovate account, that's just a live Tradeovate account, and trying to see if I can make some more goop than I spend. Same type of risk settings would be applied. Nasdaq's trying to find some bids now up through this daily opening print price. Bids feel strong right now for at least a little snipe. I'd be surprised to see us reject this immediately. Can we get some extension? Finding some nice strength. Making me a little bit curious here if I want to stay in my position at these 197s. I think I do. Stops will be above VWAP, so it's a tight risk for me here. Almost getting smashed in there. Finding some bids. This is a lot of volume, so don't necessarily join me on this one. This one's going to be a little scary. Buyers. You called them, I mean. We broke the lows, and now they're stepping in. You just got to break even, baby. Love break even. Only took out 1%. I love it. Happy for you, King. She, Ninja Trader only needs like 1.1K in your account to hold 1 NQ. Yeah, I think that's the thing. 15. Look at the 15-minute candle. Ooh. Very useful to say, Danny. Thank you, Queen. That does kind of change my bias here. That's a nasty wick. Especially after taking out the lows. A lot of volume there. 15-minute range is in. Let's go back to our 1 minute. I might hesitate on joining this bid. Our 15-minute range is in. Let's get drawn up. See if I can see anything different now that I have my range in. 29 candle at the high of the 15. I think that's the high, right? 45. No, that's the break of the high. So this is actually the 15-minute range. So this would be a break and retest, possibly, right? We broke out, retesting now the top of the range, looking for a possible continuation. I think it is. There's a chance it could play. I do. Maybe somewhere in around these 31s. You can maybe try to find a bid. I would have loved to be filled into that position. Because now I'd just be break even or nothing. This is keep happening. We're getting the sell-off overnight, and then in Asia session we do this fucking dickery and end up buying, taking out liquidity before continuing lower throughout the day. That has been the pattern. Killing me. What's happening here? Not a lot of crazy right now. Like I said, Saucy, a lot of the move happened overnight, and now we're starting to hold. I don't like this order anymore up here, especially above that swing high. I might try a VWAP tap just to try some easy liquidity, but not sure how much I'm gonna love it. Might try a little VWAP tap for a little move. I'm gonna try it. See if we can get a 202. And then from there, I'd love to see something. Love to see something out of you, Nazi. We broke in, tried to touch the top of the 15 again, finding some reaction. That's a really strong 15-minute range. So, I mean, a 15-minute wick. So I have to be willing to just get out of this quickly if we keep seeing some reactions. But man, it's interesting. I have a 223 VWAP on TradingView. I have a 202 VWAP. Interesting. Good evening, brother. Welcome in, Andrew. Good morning, King. Or good evening, King. Buyers, most buyers hold 150.75 for more up. Just got that $700 NQ push. Closed a little early, but that's all right. Absolutely, that's all right. Leaving a little bit of cake on the bone just means there's more for next time, right, King? Congratulations. Good trading. 220, 300 ideal sell zone. Yeah, I don't mind that idea. Especially because we're front running this VWAP. I wouldn't mind trying an EMA touchdown here if we are going to try to hold. Volume's slowing up though. So we got all this volume here, right? And price, ooh. Oh, go back down, please. That was an accident. We got all this volume here, and price couldn't continue higher through it. That to me is usually a sign of potential reversal, especially at the top of the 15-minute range. So I'm going to trade my system, but I do think longs are trying to step in here, which is just ugly because why is overnight giving us all the good moves? Everyone, what VWAP do you have on Trade-Evade? Is mine not updated? Yeah, mine is updated. What time frame are you looking on? Tomorrow's a big day, peeps, if Ty wants to give a little refresher. Yes, sir, I did, Saucy. I appreciate you, though, King. It is our 1 year tomorrow. It's going to be fucking exciting, so exceptional. The community that we built here just feels so special. I will say I enjoy your streams way more than most I have joined. You know your stuff. Andrew, that means the most, family. Thank you so much, King. Let's go. I'm gonna take a break from live trading, still paper trading, but I'm in the stream for probs the next week and a half. Need to refine my edge. I like that, Noah. Hey, take whatever time you need, King. Keep your storage sharp. Keep doing the thing. Trading on the side isn't a bad thing. Okay, our 15-minute range is breaking to the upside here. I really don't mind this to see continuation. It makes me not really like my entry at all, honestly. Especially the way that we front ran and missed it a couple times. I just can't. This is more of a break and retest than a break and reclaim. I ordered that Freedom McFadden book, Ty, the Intruder. Looking forward to it. Hell yeah, Queen. Definitely. Let me know how that goes. If you love it, I'll give it a go. Just secured my biggest payout. Woo! Drop a fucking double damn W for the man Braum. Crushing. Locking in the biggest payout he's ever had. What a fucking feeling on a Thursday, huh, King? Oh, that shit hypes me up. Let's go. Well deserved, brother. Good morning, King. Good morning, Bonnie. Welcome in, King. Welcome. I'm gonna bring my trades over here. Andrew, that'd be the most. Thank you so much, brother. That would mean the most. My mental is shot, so you need a break. Hey, that's never a bad thing, Noah. We just tapped into those VWAP at the 200s. This is where I was interested in maybe trying to sell. I didn't love it, so I didn't. But let's see if it was a good decision or not. VWAP's here on the hourly. You know what? My strategy says at least give it a try here. But if the buyers come in, they're going to come in aggressively. I'm going to try one. Tight risk on this, family. Tight risk on this one. My stops are going to be above this 220s, 225s. Buy 10 stops. We don't have a ton. I'm not looking for a big, huge move here. The thing that I don't love about it is that the EMA hasn't curled up a lot yet. So if we don't get any reaction here, we could easily keep continuing to the upside. It's a decent little reaction. Can we get any continuation? I want to see us start heading towards this EMA aggressively. Otherwise, I'm probably just going to look for snipes and scalps here. Oh, get down there, Queen. Little VWAP reaction is always going to give you something. Can we get a little bit more weight below this VWAP? A reaction to VWAP is never a bad thing to see. The issue is that the EMA is still right here curling up, which means we still have probably some more height to go before a real rejection. But I want to see what happens after we interact with it one more time. Hypothetically, possibly we could tap into it and start finding some direction through it as well. It's never an impossible. Might just take what we can here at this EMA for a little snipes, quick scalp type action. Respecting that VWAP isn't a sad thing to see. Don't want to see this wick though. Want to start seeing some continuation from the sellers. Decent volume loaded up at the VWAP there. Another VWAP attempt. Again, we're curling up with the EMA here, so it's not super ideal if we continue to hold here. Wanted that reaction to be a little bit stronger. Buyers are definitely stepping in. Wait for this candle closure for all the information. This might be no bueno for us, though. Be patient. Wait for the information. If we're wrong, we're wrong. What are we losing here?
Stop filled.
300 on that one. Bummer. I would say that kind of, for me, confirms longs. All right? We got a break. We got a retest. We're continuing higher. Again, the EMA is the issue with that trade because, look, she was like down here when I took that trade. So she still has a little bit higher to come up to this VWAP for it to be a potential rejection there. Good stuff, Brom. Absolutely. Such a good trader. I'm so proud of you, King. That's what I said. Gold dumped like 1,000 points overnight, bro. Yeah, it is tough. You're the best, King. Congrats on 1 year. Mo, thank you so much, brother. Very excited about it. What do you have your VWAP for Trade of 8? 218 on the 5 minute. See, I think that's relevant on the time frame. W's. I'm so glad y'all hyping up. I'm hype. You gotta be. What kind of fragrance do you wear daily? I have 2. I have a I don't remember exactly what it's called right now, but it's nice. And then I have another one that, again, don't remember the name, but it's nice. Congrats, Brom. 100%. He wears Malakation. 100%. Take it at 25 PS. What do you mean, Victor? Good morning, though, King. Welcome in. Stop filled. P-Enos. What a sound, huh? Look at me. Look at me. Getting stop filled. And now we're right back to where we would have been in this trade. Classic NASDAQ. We only have 800 bucks here, family. I'm probably just going to have to put it all on the line here. Am I able to do 2 contracts or no? If I can do 2 contracts, I might. See if they even let me. That means I'd have 20 points with 2 contracts. 40 points with 1. I guess I'll do 40 points with 1. Whatever. Whatever. Like, whatever, dude. Like, whatever. Interesting daily fill down here after sweeping out those lows. More upset that I'd still be in this for profitability had I not been snagged out of those 27s. What's this EMA going to give us? Feels like a chance to continue to the upside. But I don't really want to buy the top of that range like that. I want to get a little closer towards this 15. Bum, bum, bum. What's the NASDAQ going to do at this EMA here? They're trying to hold. Trying to hold this EMA. Trying to give a somewhat of an auction. The next place I would like to maybe join this market. See, this is what we wanted to see earlier, how the EMA is now starting to curl at the bottom. This is the interaction that I want to be seeing here. If we do push up through, then that's continuation. If we start rejecting and the EMA starts curling back to the sell side, especially towards the 15, that's more bearish. But the problem is, which Danny pointed out so nicely of her, is look at that 15-minute wick. Holy print, huh? But then we did get the fill up there, so now anything could happen in my opinion. Anything could happen now, in my opinion. If we come back down to the top of this 15-minute range, I'll try a long, I think, possibly. This is so funny, though. Had to just tag me out before the move actually plays. You love it. Don't you just love it? Bum, 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 bum. I might even try another VWAP tap here, guys, if we get it. Depending on what comes first. No, because I love it. I love being tagged out of the trade by 8 points before the sells begin. No, because I enjoy that, NASDAQ. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have an order sitting at the 201s. We'll see if we have a chance to get a fill before the sells. I want to at least see the try the top of the 15-minute range one more time here. Sellers are trying to get a little bit aggressive. Man, I wanted to be in this move, family. How unlucky. Don't do 2 contracts, bro. This is not the day for 2 contracts. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. It's just, I guess, probably more emotional decision after being tagged out barely when I wanted this sell. I wanted this. And there it comes the top of the 15-minute range. So now this is going to be interesting to see where we auction from here. And again, I didn't get my fill off the retest, so I have no idea where we're going. Pretty deep into the bottom of the 15 there. Watching EMA try again. Volume coming out of that pressure off the top of the 15-minute range retest with some volume. Makes me not love my idea. Do we try it again? We try it again. Give me another try.
Order filled.
Stops are above this swing. EMA tried to break and respect that VWAP, but right now we're finding some interesting reactions here. What a candle closure, though. Or what a candle in general. That feels like we're pushing for the highs. Last attempt on this candle here. We got to see a reaction from the sellers. Otherwise, I'm closing this, and we are going to just take it. We got to stay below this swing high. Above VWAP is not ideal here. Strong candle reaction off the top of the 15. There's a lot of buy signals right now, family. I'm not going to lie. Going to wait for this last candle information. I want to see one more attempt, but I really do think we're on the wrong side of it at the moment. Only thing that I like is that we held this previous swing. The VWAP is being supported right now. They're trying to hold. One more attempt. Show me this candle. Show me a reaction. If we close above VWAP, I'm closing this trade. I want to see a reaction below VWAP for me to consider holding. Wait for all the information.
Order filled.
I'm changing to a long here, family. Changing to a long, I think, here. Yeah, I do really think I want a long here instead. I just don't love that price. I think I'd rather get like a... That's where that candle just came down to, though. That's what I wanted. Where does this continue higher, though? We don't push for high a day, right? There's no way. That's my reason I don't like longs here, is because, like, where do we target? Top of the 15-minute range just gave us a push, though. That is a break and retest. I'm going to try it, family. I'm trying it.
Order filled.
Buying this VWAP. I want to see some support here. I'm buying this VWAP. We inverted the 15-minute range, touch and rego. They should have a little bit of room on it to continue higher. From where and where do I want to see? I don't know. It's hard to really necessarily gauge that. 240s feels like we're going to go find some volume. Through the 240s, we'll find some volume, but how much, I don't know. Show me your love. Show me some love here at this VWAP, Nazi. Start getting bullish. Start printing to the upside here. Reason I buy this, family, right, is because if I took this original short and I held it, and I was just watching this thing, I'd be getting underwater here soon. We're above the VWAP after reclaiming it. A strong 15-minute range break and retouch. Don't love the volume struggling here after that much of a pump. I want to see some continuation through here. Should be a little bit quicker. The bids should be coming in here at the VWAP, but right now we're just kind of stalling out. Not my favorite price action. Should start getting bullish or bearish, I guess. We're going to get a direction. I don't love that volume slowed up like that after breaking it. And the EMA is still doing that curling pattern. Here we go now. Get excited. Try to go pump up through there. We start taking out these highs, we're going to be in a decent position. Go ahead and break those highs. Come on, Nazi. Go get excited through that swing. The hourly chart, I don't have a ton of prices that I could be looking for. I don't necessarily know what to read. There's no way we go back up to high a day, but that's like the only thing that really makes sense. Maybe like these 24,300s we could also try, depending if we get through these 37s. It's gonna get interesting here. If we can actually find some volume though, we're not out of the woods on this trade. I do like that the EMA is starting to finally curl through. That gives me a little bit of confirmation. But right now we're still just going completely nowhere. Another attempt from the buyers, another rejection from the sellers so far. And right back down. Another wick though. Is that gonna hold? This is one time we do want a big, we want this black to wick out. EMA is trying to curl back through the VWAP, almost like a rejection. Don't love it. Still finding new lows. 73 would be these accounts being gone, family. Crazy annoying price action at VWAP there. Why are we just going sideways like that? Tried to break through and now we're fucking holding it? Really? Not good. Gotta see a reaction from these buyers. I'm honestly a little bit shocked. I mean, we got all that volume and now we're just continuing to struggle to push. Another nice wick. I don't know what that candle was. 1006 just gave us some volume. Was that the last manipulation leg? Are we actually going to start printing higher now? It feels like we have to after that. Absolutely feels like we have to after that. Go ahead then. Just get excited through there. No more wicks at this range. What is that, these 220s? It's the bottom of this previous demand swing low. That's what these reactions are. That's why if we do get through there, we could get excited, Tori. But if we don't, we're going to be just continuing to chop this VWAP. Come on, bids. Manipulate. Manipulate all the reasons. We should be selling, but you're not. So go ahead and manipulate. New hourly candles opening at this VWAP. Doesn't look too shabby. Come on now. Go break through there. Above these 230s, things get a little interesting. There's a nice pump. Are we gonna get any continuation? Don't want to see any wicks there. It's a good amount of volume. Want to see that thing try to continue in that direction. Above these 230s, things get weird. That could be manipulation on both sides. Crazy wick. I mean, holy fucking wick. Like, really? Really, NASDAQ? Gross candle, family. I probably should have my break even on after taking out that swing high. I just don't love that. What a gross candle wick. Struggling to push through those 30s. Big resistance there. Felt like we just grabbed a bunch of liquidity and now we're trying to head back to the sell side. Doesn't really give me confirmation and continuation there. I gotta be smart and put my break even on because we could easily just start giving back this profit. After taking out that swing high, I'm surprised. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm surprised to see that reaction, but man, I wanted just one time, just a little continuation for the kid. I haven't been tagged for break even technically yet. Just get away from us. You know what I mean? Start going up. Go that way. Go away from us. Go away. Fly. Shoo fly. Don't bother me. You ever heard of that? Go. Leave. Would have been tagged for break even right there. Still in this position and immediately a nasty dump. That might be enough to liquidate us. The manipulation right now on both sides of the chart.
Order filled.
I'm gonna fucking... Wow. Hey, that's why you're supposed to trade with stops, family. I mean, that is just... Wow. horrendous is what that is. Fucking fake fucking manipulation. We hold the VWAP, we push through, get insane volume to go break the high, and then right back inside of it, man. Tricky, guys. Protect yourselves. Don't fucking... Make sure you have stops and downsides. This is gross. These longs were clean. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Rodrigo. Good morning, baby. Respecting a bullish FEG right now on the 15, just below the 50 EMA. Andrew, I wish. Trump market sucks. We fighting for life over here, 100%. This is Trump's about to speak. We're going to chop until he starts talking. Well, that makes more sense, Rob. Appreciate the insight there because, yeah, we are holding. He got meeting speech at 10 a.m. I longed it, but TP at the 30 limits. Let's go, Dave. Glad you made some money. 370 on funded and copy traded evals. I sold. Matthew, good exit. Up and down, we're just manipulating 100%. Your VWAP is not uploaded. It's below. See, Dave said the same thing, but I don't think so. What a fucking manipulation, especially to just bottom tick me. Like, really? This is why Asia is goated. Right now, it has been, Rodrigo, 100%. I'm tired of winning, boss. We winning so much, I can't stop winning. Whining, winning. Hey, it happens. It happens, baby. This is just awful. This right here, caca. Unbelievable, really. Quite frankly. Quite frankly, what, Thomas? 100%. Sellers defended the 200, 250s. Sellers most certainly did not defend. Oh, they are defending the twos, but that's the VWAP. They did not defend that. They got fucking pushed through there a bunch. But the 250s, they are defending. I break 150 down, forget the long. That's just how traded by VWAP is. It changes on each time frame. Yeah, I think it's time frames. Man. Well, we're loading up again. Like it never happened. Loaded. Sorry, family. I'm trying to buy some accounts, and for some reason I can't. For some reason I can't purchase any new Tradeovate accounts or Tradeify. Take Profit Trader. I cannot purchase any more Take Profit Trader accounts for some reason. That's just how Tradeovate is. Still have those Tradeifys. Do I have Tradeifys? I don't think so, Queen. Let me look. I don't think so. Look at this beautiful fucking bullshit. Look at it. No, I don't, Queen. I don't have Tradeify accounts. Can you just look at it? This incredible bullshit of manipulation. What's worse, if I didn't take this stupid trade to lose 150, I could have afforded that as well. Like, it's just so fucking, it's hilarious. Unbelievable. I am going to lose it. But I can't purchase any Take Profit Trader accounts, so we're going to go purchase 20 new Apex accounts while the deal is still going on today. Try one more time to get through here. Let's go to Tradeovate, intraday trailing. Man, I am... That is really fucking annoying. Like, really annoying. Look at this. Make it, you can't make it up. All right, family, be patient with me. Payment failed. This transaction has been declined. Maybe it's my debit card that's not fucking working. Because I just got failed on Apex too. What the fuck, dude? Oh, this is... don't you guys just love it? Don't you guys just, like, quite literally love it? Get some Lucid Ties. Use code TFF for best discount. Let's go, Sobs. I love it, baby. Hey, I might have to. I can't purchase Apex or Take Profit right now. I don't know why. I'm going to try some Lucid, see if it's actually my debit card or not. Going to try to sign into this right now and see if I can. My portal. Excuse me. I might have to call my bank, which is not normal. I never have to do that normally. Usually they send me a text like, hey, are you trying to purchase this? And I just confirm it. Yes, I am. And then they're like, okay, you're good. Right now, no. Add an account. We'll go Lucid Flex. Funded rules. Select platform. We'll go to Tradeovate. Even though I should try TradeSeed because Sobs keeps talking about it. I can use my code TFF. Apply that. 40% off. Card number. This. I have read. I agree. Proceed. Yeah, payment declined. It's my institution. Well, 1 second here, family. What the fuck, man? I'm just trying to trade with my goopers. What is going on with this? Why is my debit card not letting me purchase? Contact us. Secure messages. I'm gonna try to give these guys a call real quick, family. If you guys just want to stay here for a second. Cause what the fuck? You know what I mean? Like, actually. This type of candle is good for scalping. That's not a bad idea, Matrix. I used to listen to this track in 2010. It's from Tomorrowland. So frustrating. Yeah, this is super choppy, guys. Make sure you're taking scalps. 50 people watching and showing some love and support. You got this. I almost blew 2 accounts today trading gold in London session. Got stuck in the chops today. I have too focused on my goals and my work is set up. Richner, I love it, King. I love all y'all watching, showing some love. Now my internet can't even send messages. Dude, I am getting cooked over here. Did that send? Thank you. Hello, my name is... Well, family, my account, my debit card, they turned off for fraud. They sent me a fraud message that she said that I then declined, saying it wasn't fraud on February of like the 15th, she said, which is over a month ago. I denied it, and yet they still banned it as fraud and closed my account. So now I have to open. They're sending me a new debit card in the mail right now. This is fucking crazy. I'm done for the day. Let's fucking go. Got another payout. Made $3,327 on my funded first day. Let's fucking go, dude. Congratulations, King. That's a goop right there. Man, why can my messages not send? My Wi-Fi is fucking me up. Everything's fucking me up. Super proud of you, though, King. That's awesome. Everything good. Came back from a strong session. Muted. Smoke sesh. Yeah, just was on the phone with my bank there trying to get my card information figured out, and they said they closed my account because of fraud. I'm happy I just got into my daily funded account yesterday on Tradeify, and now I made $327 for the $1,000 day payout. Let's go, baby. I'm up $8,000 in payouts from prop firms, and I only started October 1st of last year. Laughed my ass off. That's what it is, baby. Keep showing up, keep putting work in, you'll get there. Lost my eval 200 winning day, taking it slow. I need to work on discipline. You got it, Queen. It's always, we all got to work on our discipline. Slowly but surely we get there. Yep, we all need to work on that. I'm still battling with it, LOL. Exactly, Jedi. Lucid finally sent me my money. Let's go, Santiago. They deserved. That's crazy. Is it a big four bank? It's TD Bank. So I've never had this issue before. I've had them for, I don't even know, fucking 6 years. I've had them for 6 years. I've traded so many prop firms, never had a problem with them. They send me a little text saying, hey, is this fraud? I usually say no, give me my money. They let me make a purchase, and then I'm usually fine. And that's the same process we went through, but now my account is just randomly closed. Yeah, I blew my funded Monday, so I need to go back to rules. I can't gamble on evals because I bring that behavior to fundeds. That's good. I mean, that's a good awareness, at least. You got to take your funded, your combine slow to know that you need to take your funded slow. For me, it's the same setups, just controlling the emotions. Wow, yeah, that's weird. W's. It sucks so bad. The thing that actually sucks about that, Kendall, and for everybody, is just that I want to take advantage of this Apex deal, and I can't. But what I can take advantage of is I still have... I just called. Hi, Gabriella. I just called my bank and it is an issue on my card side. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm over here asking for support to help me out, and they're fucking nothing you can help me with, guys, unfortunately. But guys, check this out. I haven't taken the money out of here yet, so I can actually use this to purchase accounts. Excuse me. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna go ahead and purchase some accounts using that and go for it. That's all we can do. Now I just disabled these accounts though. Is it gonna let me fucking... Yes. Okay. I think I might have made a mistake as well, family. Alright, does anybody know? I might have just fucked up. I just wasted $100 right to the wind. So I reset these accounts. These were the ones that I knew I could reset. I've only reset them once. I went to go reset them again, but they weren't working. So I figured it was because I had to like open new accounts. So I disabled them at 326. But then I just tried to reset it, seeing if it would let me. It did let me reset it, but now they're disabled. So what does that mean? I guess we're gonna have to log in and find out. It does let you use your wallet balance though, so there's $100 off my balance there. I'm gonna sign out of here. I'm gonna sign back into Trade of 8. What a shit show of a day, huh? Sometimes you're just trying to make goop and you get this. See, the fact that it says disabled I don't think is a good sign. The fact that it says disabled I feel like is a bad thing. But I'm actually gonna ask this lady real quick. One thing though. I used my wallet funds to activate an account while I wait for a new debit card. I reset a disabled combine. Money. Oh. Oh, family, what a show, huh? Alright, so it's right there. I guess it says it's still working, so I can go purchase the other ones, I guess. I don't know. They all say they're disabled. 1 second, family. I'm dancing. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta take a urination break. I'll be right back, family. I appreciate y'all. What a weird day before our year anniversary, but y'all are hanging in there. I love you guys. If you haven't yet, smash that love button. Try to get to our 30 like stream goal. Could have probably already crushed it if we were, you know, on top of it, trading well and actually trading today, but I'll be right back. I gotta pee. I gotta pee really bad. And we're back, like we never left, family. Like we never left. All right, so it's totally worked. We used our wallet funds, you know. We used the wallet funds to purchase the account. All right, so if I go to my wallet, we use this money. They used to be 18.7, now it's 18.6. And then I go back to the trade profit trader. These all say disabled, but I can still reset them. But not except for that one. This one's active, but I can reset it. I don't fucking know if that is that good or bad. Ty, your card not working, I can hook you up with till it's back online. I appreciate your subs. I'm not gonna have you do that. Hopefully they can send me my new one and I can purchase some Apex accounts, but I'm not sure. What do they give your account back? That's a good setting. Tyler, did MasterCard, Visa say fraud, or was it your debit card company, Chase Amex? I think it was my bank. So my bank thought it was fraud, so they just shut off. They just closed my entire debit card and just turned it off. Do you have another card, like a credit card? I don't, unfortunately. I should. You guys should have credit cards. If you're good with your money and you know how to pay your bills, which I do, I'm very disciplined. I should do that, but I don't. Annoying intraday downtrend, but H time from dead zone. You're saying your clock is off sync. You're the man though, Sabs. I appreciate you offering them. I'm not gonna ask you to do that, King. Maybe because you got them with your points or renewals disabled. No, because I disabled them, Queen. That's the thing. Like, what? I can reset right now, and then use my wallet, and then next. It says yes, and immediately, boom, congratulations. So I'll do this one. Wallet, next. Yes. Oh, congratulations. That's 3. Reset. Wallet, next. Congratulations. It's 4. Reset. Wallet, next. Yes. Congratulations. Oh, we're going to go for it. That's all we can do here. You know what I mean? We take it as it is. We try. Please, can you tell me what is the account ID? Yes. What a weird day, huh, family? I feel like I've been talking to support all day. Not even to my family. I haven't even been able to chat with y'all. But we're gonna go ahead and close this. Bink. We're gonna load it back up one more time. We're gonna sign back into this one more time. And we're gonna try to do it. Should have all 5 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Manage. We'll do 50K's here. And now we're back. Can we save that? Can we do it again? My VWAP, we're below VWAP now. What gross price action. All right, family. I think we're officially here to take some trades. Let's do it. Let's crush. Yeah, I think the high time frame is dominant, but I'm done trading. Max prop and traded 5. Let's go, Robert. Way to go. No worries, man. I know you're good for it. Absolutely, King. I'm about to breach this reel. I'm about to breach the reel. It's always the same. Sorry, Satomi. Hope you don't, King. Didn't you need to use the no fee 40 discount? I already used that on those when I purchased the combine. I used the no fee 40, and then when I reset, it was only $100, but I should still have the no activation fee. I usually use Wise for paying. Debit card works fine. Trump speaking. Tyler, highly recommend getting a credit card, Capital One, Quicksilver, other fee card with 1.5% back. I definitely need to. I spend so much money on these props. It's the smart way to go, I think. He's talking right now. Is Trump speaking right now? I wouldn't be surprised. Look at that fucking candle. Wouldn't be surprised if the Trump man's speaking now. What is that candle, honestly? Fucking crazy. Be careful, family. Okay, didn't know that. I never used that reset button. It was technically like $2 cheaper. So the no fee 40 is 102. The resets are only 100. TPT has also 5 max accounts. Okay, yeah, TPT is 5 max. 5 max, but you can trade 6 contracts. So let's go 5 contracts here. This is fucking crazy. This is just, what is this? What is this? I'm only trading when Trump is sleeping. That's the way to do it. It's the only way to do it, Sav. That's the problem. Look at us holding all these lows, look at this range that we're in. Box trading right now. Get that Robinhood 3% back. Pobby, I wish. I have no idea how. We have to wait years. I haven't even put my request in yet. Unfortunately for me. There's no way I get approved for that for a while. Problem is Trump doesn't sleep. Now that man lives on Twitter. Twitter and Twitter only. That man lives on Twitter and Twitter only. Shit, it took me 2 years to get it. LOL. Exactly. 2 years and I haven't even put my request in yet. It will take a while. Oh, my eye. I have a hair eyelash in my eye. Owie. Family, there's almost 40 of you beautiful people spending the morning. It's been a chaotic morning, not the best morning. But if y'all are here showing some love, it would mean the most if you tap the love button. Show some love. Hit that like. Support us. Get us in here. If you're not in, well, also, if you're here watching and not joining this conversation, hop in this comment section. Best community around, and we'll pick you up. So Nasdaq had that random volume after he said that Trump was speaking. We came up to the exact highs, sold off to the exact lows of this range. Look at this box, and now we're auctioning at it. Makes me think you could try a short down here, but I mean a long, but I just wouldn't do it. Literally, I threatened them to leave and go to Chase if they don't give me the card, and that day because I had 100,000 with them. No shit. All we need to do is become politicians, get voted into office, and then just start insider trading. We'll all be rich. Subs, that is actually 100% the play. Please, if any of you guys ever get elected, do not forget me. Send me any, like, it doesn't even need to be, like, drastic either, you know, and just, I'm not asking for a big heads up either, you know, just a couple, like, even an hour ahead, you know, just give me a little insight, and you can be vague if you want to, and I'll try to just decipher it and make my best. I won't point it towards you at all. Even if we do, we're not going to get in trouble, so don't worry. I tend to get decent trades 1 hour easy, NYSE open. The New York session has been really fucking jaded lately, I'm not going to lie. It's been really rough lately. Like, we're getting just the weirdest, worst, awful moves. What is Trump saying? Because we're ripping right now. What is Trump speaking about? Because we're ripping to the sell sides. Surely I don't try a long down here. Surely I do try it. I'm trying it. At the 112s. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. But if we come back up to this high of this swing first, I'm going to short. So it's an if not, then that. Shit, blew my shit. It's okay. I'll be back Monday, LOL. We'll be back tomorrow, you mean, King. Tomorrow we had our year anniversary. But also, you should purchase them. Oh, I don't even have my groups on. So I was about to take 5 contracts in that one account. That would have been awful. Now I have my group on. Okay. Now we can put our orders back in here. Look for this thing to try to bounce for us. For some reason, I don't want to try to long this market, even though I think that I should. Wait, what do you mean buy stops? Just buy the market.
Order filled.
Trying to bottom touchdown here.
Order filled.
Selling pressure stepping up, so this isn't the highest probability. 50% of the range, previous swing bottoms. Want to see if we can hold this for some volatility. Keep us inside of the range, but if we start heading back towards these lows, I'm going to be out of this. Selling is winning right now. They're trying it. They really are trying it. Every bid is being smashed right now. Go on, give me these random 400-point injections to the long side. These random monster candles that just been stopping every liquidity out. There's an EMA touch. If we don't close through the EMA, I'm closing this. It should be a one-sided. This should just be start one direction. If we don't close below that EMA, I don't love it. Or if we close below the EMA, I don't love it. Should close above. Otherwise, that's just an EMA touch for a resell. Look at the volume. Look at the wick there. Break even's on now. Probably going to get tagged out here before the move. If this thing is even going to continue. There's another EMA touch. Get through there. Hold the zone. Probably, I'd rather be shorting this EMA. That's why I'm looking to see it below. I'd be getting out. But also, you can just get these random buy volume injections at any moment. So, and we're gonna be out of this. Bink.
Stop filled.
Bink. We're out of it. Selling starting to show some wicks up here. I don't mind longs down at this bottoms. Nice volume profile node. Hodl or break the lows. I like this risk to reward. No, not yet. Good luck. I'm done for the day. I love it, Kendall. Good luck, Queen. I appreciate you for being here. Thanks for the good luck. Touching the volume node. High volume down here. I liked it for an attempt, but we're not pushing off of it. There's a sweep towards the bottom. We need 5 days on these props, on these ones, and I have to use my fucking... Ugh. I want to purchase those Apex accounts while the discount was still on the next 14 hours, but I should have. She said they're gonna send me a current. They're gonna send me a digital card that I can hopefully sign up with. She said hopefully. She said usually it's within the same day. Oh sure, Nasdaq, sure. Now you're gonna go for it, huh? Trying to trade the zone, right? So we keep chopping or holding. So anticipation of us breaking the low doesn't really feel like it's possible or prominent here. Should run those upward wicks. Hoping to see it. Tyler, by the way, I'm pretty sure your VWAP had different settings when you were trading your Apex earlier. I don't think so, to be honest with you, love. I don't think so, love. Because I took this initial sell buy or short the VWAP. We ripped up through, supported us, broke the high, supported it again. I mean, maybe it did. I don't. No, because this was our initial sell contract with the VWAP. No, I don't think so. I really don't think so. Maybe it did. I don't know. Absolutely nothing going on here. Nothing to see. Nothing to see here. You want to assume that we might break the lows, but these longs are stubborn. If we keep holding these hundreds, I don't mind it for another attempt to the upside. This is very bearish in my opinion. So come up into here, then give me a sell opportunity. It's just hard to sell this thing because that just keeps getting bought up by the randomness. we doing? Look at this hourly pattern. If that doesn't scream bearish, I don't know. Now, I don't know my own name. How about that? If that is not bearish, I don't even know my own name. But where? When? To which are we going to manipulate first? To which will we manipulate first? If we have a chance to come up in towards this 130s, I wouldn't mind it. You know what I mean? MNQ has slightly different VWAP often. Wait till Trump is off. That man Trump, wait till he's finished jab lipping. What's gold doing? Got up above VWAP. Now we're just kind of selling. There we go. There's some direction. If it doesn't take out the lows, I'm going to short this next pull back up. What an awful bottom. If it doesn't take out that low, I'm going to short the next pull up. 2 contracts, technically 10. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't take out that low. Come give me one more bid up here. There we go. Come give me a fill with the 95s. Don't take out that low yet. Come give me a fill with the 95s for 2 contracts. Don't take out that low yet. Come give me a fill with the 95 for 2 contracts. If it gets through this low, we're probably going to get pretty heavy, family. Yep. There it is. There's a break of the low, and there's the weight that I assumed. This is not what I would normally execute for a trade, but I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a sell contract here. And if we come back up, I'm going to take another one. It's a lot of volume, but not the most. Breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range there is pretty bearish, especially whatever Trump's saying. Normally, I would always be telling you guys, fight for price, but I'm willing to get in this just for the volatility sakes. Anything could happen. It's a really nice wick. Come back up into the EMA. I'm going to try one. I kind of want to try another one right here, unfortunately. It's not exactly the wick I wanted to see, to be honest with you. It's a little bit too strong of a wick. Makes me think we should actually be long.
Order filled.
Shorting this EMA. I want to see some reaction at this EMA. Don't necessarily believe it, that we're just going to continue to the upside here. It's a strong wick, though. It's a lot of volume, and we couldn't continue lower. You guys know that that's typically a short-term reversal signal. Just trying to be patient here. I don't know what Trump said to bring us to the lows there, but clearly not exactly playing out right now. Start hunting those bottoms again here, Nazi. Stay below that EMA. I want to see a closure below this EMA. I want to see a black candle start inverting this. 15 seconds. Wait for all the information. Not my favorite. Final seconds. Yeah. One of those baloney. Push to the lows here. It's a really strong wick off the volume, so I don't love this position as much as I did. But we wait, we find out. For us to go from the highs to the lows here is bearish. We just swept the bottom. We still have a lot of higher time frame lows to go. This wick is still going to be in play here. Or this, whatever, this candle bottom. Now we wait, we find out. I don't love the volume slowing up here on the sell side, though. Really need to see some more weight. Come on, Nazi. Start respecting back toward the bottom of the 15. No, you're going to hold, aren't you? Incredible. Incredible. This is going to have to be my last candle closure. If we see above these highs and holding above this EMA, I'm going to have to just close this. We got to start seeing some selling reaction, start bringing this thing back towards the sell side here. Want to see a reaction from these sellers. Right now, they're really struggling to get below these 100s. See what we can find. Oh my God, I'm getting blinded by the lights. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't see. Come on, get below those hundreds. No wicks. This to me actually feels like a good spot to grab a long, unfortunately. Especially if this candle holds. If we hold above this, I gotta just lock it out. We got it. Absolute V recovery. Yeah, an absolute V recovery. Holy, just take it. Just take my money then. Don't you just love it? Don't you just, aren't you a fan? Come on. I know it. Disrespect me. There it is.
Order filled.
There it is. We're the big loser today, family. Can't fucking win lately. Oh. What made you short the low there at the swing low? Volume. I expected us to have some weight. I don't know what he was saying, Trump, so I expected us to start heading towards this fucking look. This is my draw on liquidity. This candle, this is fake. This is all fake. And it doesn't matter because I'm going to be the top tick McGee over here. But I just can't fucking win. I'm just frustrated. I dealt with all that bullshit with my fucking bank. What'd I lose? These tape profits. Or lost max daily loss on our apexes. We're not funded with anybody else now. Just frustrating, but it is what it is, family. This is the game, sadly. Can't win them all. Gotta have good risk management. Feels like if this breaks through this EMA, I'm gonna get so fucking pissed. Oh my goodness. But I love you guys regardless of what happens here. Feels like we're just dealing with some Trump markets. I mean, truly, if you zoom out and look at this profile, look at this chart profile. There's a lot of things to describe this, and none of them are good. So it is what it is. He said energy will come back down. Okay. Nah, I wouldn't even reverse it. This is the bottom of a high time frame zone. And it's proven to bounce out. We're bouncing out of there. But could bounce first. What made you short low there at the swing lows? 10 more, family. Smash the like button if you guys haven't. I'm about to get out of here right now. 3-minute close at multiple high time frames. That's what the LTA. If watch it close at 15 to 31 hour. You are still the go-to, brother. Appreciate Wish you the best, Ty. You too, Spitzy. Good luck out there, King. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's our year anniversary, so hopefully we can have some fun. It'll be exciting days. Malik, you're the best, King. I appreciate the insight and the love. The support you guys show me every day fucking is exceptional. You guys make me want to keep showing up, doing it over and over and over again. So thank you guys for being here, for being a part of this community, for being you guys. And yeah, tomorrow's our 1 year anniversary of us hanging out, doing this every single day. We'll see what the next couple years bring, huh? But in the meantime, congrats on everybody that did well today. Brahm, your biggest payout, well-deserved, King. Has been loading up for a long time, so I'm happy for you. And in the meantime, drink some sun, family. Get some sun. Hug somebody that you love. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Having a good time for our 1 year. I love you guys. Peace.